And that's how fantastic I am on my ukulele. And hi, this is how I sound like. I have an English accent that's kind of posh, apparently. And that's about it. I'm not going to ramble on in this video because I don't do rambling well on video. Because otherwise it's going to sound like, well, basically kind of like, you know, and we don't really want that. And there'll be a lot of me coughing because I'm still very ill. Oh, and I would do some kind of compliments thing to pass the time, but then I'd have to write down a list of 5 things about 10 different people, and that's kind of long, and I can't really be bothered right now. I'll do that later. And I think that's about it. This is what I sound like. À bientôt tout le monde. Oh, and here's the outro.